Shameplant, scientifically known as Mimosa pudica, is one of nature's most fascinating plants. Often called the touch-me-not plant or the sensitive plant, it is famous for folding its leaves inward when touched. While this unique movement has made it popular among gardeners and plant enthusiasts, shameplant has also been valued in traditional medicine for centuries. Across Asia, South America, and parts of Africa, different parts of the plant, including its leaves, roots, seeds, and stems, have been used in herbal remedies for a wide variety of health concerns. Modern scientific research is beginning to explore many of these traditional uses. Although more large-scale human studies are still needed, existing laboratory and animal research suggests that shameplant contains several beneficial compounds, including flavonoids, alkaloids, tannins, and antioxidants. These natural substances may contribute to its potential health-promoting effects. Let's explore 10 extraordinary health benefits that have made shameplant a treasured medicinal herb for generations. Number 1. Rich in powerful antioxidants. One of the greatest strengths of shameplant lies in its impressive antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect the body against free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage healthy cells and contribute to premature aging, inflammation, heart disease, and certain chronic illnesses. The plant contains natural compounds such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help neutralize oxidative stress. By reducing cellular damage, antioxidants support healthier skin, stronger immunity, and improved overall wellness. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich foods and herbs may also contribute to healthier aging by protecting tissues from long-term wear and tear. While shameplant should never replace a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, it may provide additional antioxidant support when used appropriately. Number 2. Supports wound healing. For generations, traditional healers have applied crushed shameplant leaves directly to cuts, bruises, burns, and minor wounds. The plant is believed to possess antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that may help promote the natural healing process. Preliminary research suggests that certain compounds within shameplant may stimulate tissue repair while helping reduce the growth of harmful microorganisms. This combination may create a healthier environment for damaged skin to recover. Its antioxidant content may also protect newly forming skin cells from oxidative stress, potentially supporting faster recovery. Although scientific evidence in humans remains limited, these traditional applications continue to attract interest from researchers studying plant-based wound care. Number 3. May help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation has been linked to numerous health problems, including arthritis, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and autoimmune conditions. Studies have found that extracts of shameplant may possess anti-inflammatory properties that help regulate inflammatory responses within the body. Natural compounds found in the plant appear to interfere with certain inflammatory pathways, potentially reducing swelling, discomfort, and tissue irritation. While shameplant should not replace prescribed anti-inflammatory medications, its traditional use highlights its potential as a complementary herbal remedy under appropriate guidance. Number 4. Promotes healthy digestion. Digestive discomfort can significantly affect quality of life. In many traditional healing systems, shameplant has long been used to support digestive health and relieve common gastrointestinal complaints. The herb has been used to help manage diarrhea, stomach irritation, indigestion, and intestinal discomfort. Some studies suggest that certain plant compounds may help protect the digestive tract while promoting healthier bowel function. Shameplant may also encourage a balanced digestive environment by supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms against harmful microorganisms within the digestive system. Although more clinical research is needed, its long history of traditional use continues to support its reputation as a digestive aid. Number 5. May help control blood sugar levels. Managing healthy blood sugar levels is an important part of preventing long-term metabolic disorders. Several experimental studies have investigated whether shameplant may influence glucose metabolism. Early research suggests that extracts of Mimosa pudica may help improve insulin sensitivity or reduce blood glucose levels in laboratory models. Researchers believe that antioxidants and other bioactive compounds may contribute to these effects by protecting pancreatic cells and supporting healthier carbohydrate metabolism. However, these findings remain preliminary. Individuals with diabetes should never replace prescribed medications with herbal supplements and should always consult their healthcare provider before using Shameplant, as it may interact with blood sugar-lowering medications. Number 6. Supports liver health. The liver performs hundreds of essential functions, including filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and producing important proteins. Protecting liver cells from damage is essential for maintaining overall health. Some animal studies suggest that Shameplant may possess hepatoprotective, or liver protective, properties. Researchers believe its antioxidant compounds may help reduce oxidative damage caused by toxins and support healthier liver function. Traditional medicine has also used Shameplant to support detoxification and overall liver wellness. Although promising, more human studies are necessary before definitive conclusions can be made regarding its effectiveness for liver protection. Number 7. May possess antibacterial and antifungal properties. Throughout history, medicinal plants have played an important role in fighting infections. Laboratory research indicates that Shameplant extracts may inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and fungi responsible for various infections. Its naturally occurring tannins, flavonoids, and alkaloids appear to contribute to these antimicrobial effects. These compounds may damage microbial cell structures or interfere with their ability to reproduce. This antimicrobial activity helps explain why traditional medicine often used Shameplant for skin infections and minor wounds. However, laboratory findings do not necessarily translate directly into effective treatments for people, and serious infections should always be evaluated by qualified medical professionals. Number 8. May help relieve pain. Pain relief is another traditional use associated with Shameplant. Experimental studies have investigated whether the plant contains natural compounds capable of reducing pain perception. Researchers believe that certain bioactive substances found in Shameplant may interact with inflammatory pathways and pain receptors, potentially providing mild analgesic effects. Traditional practitioners have used the plant to help ease joint pain, muscle discomfort, headaches, and minor injuries. Although these findings are encouraging, evidence from well-designed human clinical trials remains limited. Shameplant should therefore be viewed as a potential complementary herbal option rather than a replacement for evidence-based pain management. Number 9. Supports immune system function. A healthy immune system relies on adequate nutrition, proper sleep, regular exercise, and protection from excessive oxidative stress. Shameplant's antioxidant and antimicrobial compounds may contribute to stronger immune defenses by helping the body respond to environmental challenges. Its natural phytochemicals may assist immune cells by reducing oxidative damage and supporting normal inflammatory responses. Some traditional herbal systems have used Shameplant during periods of illness to promote recovery and maintain overall vitality. While no single herb can boost immunity in a dramatic way, incorporating antioxidant-rich medicinal plants into a healthy lifestyle may provide valuable support for normal immune function. Number 10. May promote relaxation and better sleep. Traditional medicine has occasionally used Shameplant as a calming herb for individuals experiencing nervousness, anxiety, or difficulty sleeping. Some experimental research suggests that compounds within the plant may have mild sedative or calming properties by influencing activity within the central nervous system. Although these effects have not yet been firmly established in humans, they provide an interesting area for future scientific investigation. If confirmed through additional research, Shameplant could potentially become part of complementary approaches for stress management and relaxation. Good sleep remains one of the foundations of health, supporting memory, mood, immune function, and physical recovery. Any herb that safely contributes to relaxation deserves continued scientific attention. Number 10. May promote relaxation and better sleep. Traditional medicine has occasionally used Shameplant as a calming herb for individuals experiencing nervousness, anxiety, or difficulty sleeping. Some experimental research suggests that compounds within the plant may have mild sedative or calming properties by influencing activity within the central nervous system. Although these effects have not yet been firmly established in humans, they provide an interesting area for future scientific investigation. If confirmed through additional research, Shameplant could potentially become part of complementary approaches for stress management and relaxation. Good sleep remains one of the foundations of health, supporting memory, mood, immune function, and physical recovery. Any herb that safely contributes to relaxation deserves continued scientific attention. Shameplant is much more than an unusual plant that folds its leaves when touched. Behind its remarkable appearance lies a long history of traditional medicinal use and a growing body of scientific research investigating its health-promoting properties. From its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects to its potential support for digestion, wound healing, liver health, immune function, and relaxation, Shameplant continues to capture the interest of researchers and herbal medicine practitioners alike. However, it is important to remember that most of the current scientific evidence comes from laboratory and animal studies. More high-quality human clinical trials are needed to fully confirm its safety, effectiveness, and appropriate dosage for various health conditions. As with any herbal supplement, individuals who are pregnant, breastfeeding, taking prescription medications, or managing chronic medical conditions should consult a qualified healthcare professional before using Shameplant medicinally. When used responsibly as part of a healthy lifestyle, this extraordinary sensitive plant may offer valuable natural support for overall wellness while reminding us that some of nature's greatest treasures are also its most unexpected. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.